Okay, everybody, it's your friendly neighborhood chef, Shade Tree here, with another, parts order and little itty bitty tool haul from good old Rock Auto. Just got my shipment. It was delivered today. So let's get this little box open and see what I got here. I have a job to do, and I had to order parts for it. I got a tune-up to do on a 99 Blazer, so I got some tune-up parts in here, should have. So this must be the cap. Got the cap here. Set of plug wires. Oh, here's the rotor. That's part of the rotor. Yep, here's the rotor. There's the rotor. Got the cap. And here's the plug wires. Plug wires. Now we can get down to the goodies. What did I get? What did I get? Got me some screwdrivers. There's a 3/8 by 8 inch. I've been abusing some of my other screwdrivers, and I misplaced my long one that I had a longer one, and I don't have any more. So here's a 3/8 by 8 inch. I'll be using that. I got a 3/8 by 12 inch. These are all performance tools. They don't look too awful bad. Got the marking right here. That's 5/16. Well, it says 3/8 right there, 3/8 by 12 there. My other was a 3/8 by 8. Let's measure this up real quick. See what's lying. That looks the same, 3/8, but it's messed up. They misprinted it. This one says 3/8 on it, and this one says 5/16. What the heck? Oh well, that's no big deal. Anyways, but it's marked on the end with a straight slot. I'll put it to use. Hell, it doesn't feel like a bad handle. It's not too awful bad. Hell, for what I'm paying for them, hell, I don't give a shit. As long as they work. As long as they don't break too much. There. Got me some oil pressure sockets. I had an older oil pressure socket that was a short one, and I didn't have any deep ones. So I had to borrow the last one I got. Last oil pressure socket one I had to use, I had to go borrow one, so I thought, well, it'd be a good chance to get me some new ones. So I got that one, and where's the other one at? There's the other one. There's the other one. So I got me some oil pressure sockets now. Got the 1 and 3/16 inch and 1 and 1/16. So, yeah, got them. Let's see what else we got in here. Another screwdriver, 1/4 by 4 inch. I figured I was gonna load this box up when I had a chance. There wasn't a whole lot more shipping on with the plug wires and stuff I got, so might as well throw some tools in it, what I could get. Here's a number 1 by 6 inch Phillips. Number 1. So it's marked correctly. I didn't look at this other one to see if it was marked correctly. Straight. 1/4. Yeah, it's marked correctly. What's this? 1/8 by 3 inch. See if it's marked correctly. Yep, 1/8. Straight slot. Sweet. Then I saw these swivels. I've never had one of these before. I want to check these out and see if they work any. See if they'd be any good. I got this one. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad. 3/8 flex joint. Don't look too awful bad. And I got a roll of mechanics wire. It's a little broken up. 16 gauge mechanics wire, 2-pound roll. My dad had a roll here for longest time, and it's all gone now, so I figured I better pick up another roll of mechanics wire. So, got another roll of that. And another screwdriver, 1/4 by 1/8 inch, 1/4 by 8 inches. It's marked right. And there's something I wanted to check out. Here's a half drive adapter, ratcheting adapter. I want to test this out. See how strong it is. Well, I'll be putting that to the test. Got lifetime warranty on it, so made in Taiwan, Taiwanese. See, it converts any breaker bar or sliding T-handle into a ratchet. So we'll see how that works. I could have used that today on that goddamn luck dot I did. Here's another thing I wanted to get. 1/4 drive. Finger spinner. Here it is, thumb wheel. Quarter drive thumb wheel. Must be 43 tooth. So yeah. Hopefully that'll work good. And then here's another piece I wanted. 1 3/4 inch extension. 3/8 extension. That's a short extension. Shortest extension I have is a 2 inch. Well, probably longer than this actually. It's probably 3 inches actually, according to this. This is 1 3/4, so yeah. That's the shortest extension I'll have right there. 3/8. Then here's a computer memory keeper I thought I'd pick up. See how they work. I never had one. So see that. Sticker. Then I got some pliers. I want to check out these performance tool pliers. So I got an 8 inch. I've got a 6 inch plier. So these got comfort grips. And I want to check these out and see how they are. 8 inch slip joints. Lifetime warranty. Made in China. Yep, made in China. This piece here is probably made in China also. Yep, made in China. Thumb wheel. Thumb wheel is, focus, made in China. Everything's probably made in China or Taiwan. Oh, they're Taiwanese. That's made in Taiwan, so that ought to be good, pretty decent. This is made in Taiwan. Even the wire here is probably made in Taiwan or China. Yep, made in China. China, made in China. So here's a ratchet I wanted to see and check out. This has got quite a bit of teeth in it. 24 tooth. It's 15 inches long. Half drive. That might replace my snap-on, maybe. Who knows? I'll have to check out and see how long my snap-on is compared to that. Let me go grab my snap-on real quick. Well, looky there, guys. I'll show you there's my boss stitch. My boss stitch half drive ratchet. See how long that is compared. But I always wanted to snap on one because it was long. And now this performance tool is the same length, just about. So, yeah, they're the same. Snap-on's just a touch bit longer, maybe a 1/4 inch longer. I've had my snap-on 20 years. So, yeah, performance tool. It might replace my snap-on. Knurling on it. It's got some nice knurling. We'll put her to the test. At least I will. And I think the one last thing I have in here, I didn't have a pair of slip joints, or not slip joints, but groove joints. I didn't have this big of a pair of groove joint pliers, 16 inch. So yeah, I thought I'd pick up a pair. Longest ones I've got are 12 inch. I got 12 incher, but I never had a 16 inch, so figured I'd pick one up for the price. Hell, I can't beat it. Looks like it's fairly solid. It's got a screw here to tighten it up, so that's a little bit of a plus. I know they come loose eventually, but then you tighten them up and they're good to go for another couple uses. You can see it's got a little bit of a curve to the lower jaw. Top jaw is flat, bottom jaw is curved, so a little. Well, it's got a nice grip. Nice grip. They feel solid as heck. Probably Chinese made. Yep, made in China. Hong Kong, Hong Kong, Kong. So yeah, that's my little tool haul for this deal. Got me a ratchet, some extensions, an adapter, some mechanics wire, and the half drive Ratchet adapter. That'll be nice. I want to try that out. Oil sending unit sockets and some screwdrivers. Got 5 total screwdrivers here. I think 6 total screwdrivers. So I'll be putting them to use, testing them out. So there's my little tool haul that I got from Rock Auto. I ain't saying how much I paid for this stuff, but as you can tell, I got quite a bit for probably the price of this ratchet. I got everything here. All these tools and then parts for the price of this snap-on ratchet. So, yeah. That'll be the end of this video. I got another job to do here for somebody and putting them a tune-up on a Blazer. And I got some tools with it too. So, there's my little video. So, like and subscribe. Give me comments what you think about my tool haul. These, if anybody else has had these performance tool screwdrivers, comment, like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, whatever. Thanks for watching. Chef Shade Tree out.